Homemade cordon bleu is much healthier than from the food industry. The recipe is very easy and quick. We can make with the family. Children love to participate. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by cutting thin strips of cheese, cheddar or French Comté with a peeler. In a small bowl, dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 teaspoon of water. Put a thin slice of turkey breast cutlets on the board and cover it with cling film. Tap to flatten and widen it. It will also soften it. Put a little salt and pepper. Place 2 slices of bacon side by side. Leave a margin at the edge. The bacon mustn't exceed this margin. If necessary, cut the bacon. On one of the slices, put some cheese, about 20 grams. Then spread a little diluted starch all around the meat. It will act like a glue. Round in half to close the cordon bleu. Press to expel air and make the edges stick together nicely. In order, prepare 3 plates with wheat flour, 2 beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Put the cordon bleu in the flour. Remove the surplus. Then in the eggs. And in the breadcrumbs. At this stage, you can freeze them. For the cooking, we use a pan with 1 centimeter of oil. Heat it over medium heat. When the oil is hot, around 150 degrees Celsius, put the cordon bleu in. To get a nice color, flip them every minute. To help a too narrow cordon to stay tightly closed during the cooking, we use a toothpick. Remove when they are golden brown, after 8 to 10 minutes. Here is the recipe for the Wetberry salad to eat with cordon bleu. It must be made before the cordon bleu. These soft wheatberries cook in 15 minutes in boiling water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Drain and rinse them with cold water. Cut in 2 pieces. The pink radishes, the sun-dried tomatoes in oil, the artichokes, 1 avocado, the tomatoes, and mince the chives. For the vinaigrette, mix 1 teaspoon of mustard, ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, some ground pepper. Combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Keep the spinach leaves to add just before serving. Everything is ready. Bon appétit! With the smoked bacon and the cheese, the Cordon Bleu are very fragrant and they are delicious and crispy. Prepare your Cordon Bleu at home with family. Keep them in the freezer. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.